Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So one of the issues I have with Tradestation here, I'm going to show you a trick how to fix it. So stay tuned to the end of the video. So you see I have some TTCF, right? I sold some puts and I did a little spread on them, okay? And TTCF is up, it's down. Actually, I don't even know. I can't really tell because it doesn't give me the actual price of TTCF here. All I have is options. I don't have any shares that are long or short or whatever in this account. So it's kind of interesting. It's an interesting dilemma to have. So here's the secret. I want to show you how to do it. All right? So what you need is you need some stock. Like, let's look at Tesla. Here, I got 30, I only have 30 shares of Tesla, right? But you can see today it's down by $533, my 30 shares. Okay? Opening profit loss. You can see the actual price of the shares, right? And you can see where the put is. So the put's deep in the money now. Thanks, Tesla. Good earnings report. So some issues in their slower business, whatever. Let's get into that later. Another video. So the secret is you need at least one share of TTCF. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to TTCF. Here's the chart. Okay, chart doesn't look too terrible, right? I mean, it's going down. You can definitely see it's in a downtrend. So if it continues to go down, it could hit $15. Although it seems like good support at $16 about $15, between 15 and 16. Decent support. So anyway, trade. What I'm going to do here, switch my account. Sorry about that. So if I buy one share of TTCF, that's pretty much all I need to set up this tracking. So buy. Okay, you can see it tells me what I have. And I'm just going to view the order, make sure it filled. I'm going to go back to the positions. Now we can see, where'd it go? TTCF. Now this is way better. So this is going to be what I'm going to do from now on with all these options. If I do an option in a company, I'm going to buy one share of the stock. Okay, so I can at least see how the stock's doing that day in this portfolio, in this account. Because every account I have is different. There's some overall strategies that I have for different accounts. And I'll probably have to do a video about that sometime. That'll be an interesting video for you guys to learn about that. Alright, so you can see now that the share price is currently $17.38. Says market value last, right? So $17.37. Okay, I have an option at 20. I have a $20 put, so that's why it's $3. So you can still see, yes, there's some premium left in there. Not a lot, but there's some. I have a put at 17.5. It's only worth $1.25, and it expires on the 21st. So still a few weeks out. So anyway, guys, this is the cheat code and how to see this within Tradestation, since Tradestation doesn't provide that data. It's kind of weird. All right, guys, if you guys want to learn more about trading, stocks, options, wealth building, subscribe to my channel. And make sure you like this video so we can get the word out there on this cheat code, the cheat tip for the Tradestation. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.